There's a sea of vendors, a sea of technology providers, and it can be very confusing for a marketer when they're trying to figure out how do they spend money wisely in this space, and with whom do they spend it. So I think a lot of them have sat back and tried to sort of see how things shake out rather than jump in full bore.
Digital media and advertising has fundamentally changed. It's really focused now on the use of data and technology to create marketing efficiency and effectiveness. So marketers are recognizing that they are the owners of really precise proprietary audience data, and that really fuels a key ingredient to marketing success. So what's happening also is marketers are now taking greater ownership for the outcome and the direction of their programmatic media campaigns.
It's still very early days in terms of programmatic media, and there are definitely marketers who are using the channel at scale, but by and large, most people are in testing mode, really trying to figure out how do they get the most out of the channel. And then some of the apprehensions and fears that you mentioned, I think, are because A, the complexity, which we talked about, and B, just a lack of good insight and transparency into how their advertising dollars are being spent and where and with whom. So as you get more transparency and more insight, you get more comfort and more adoption.
It's a dizzying landscape for marketers to try to understand. The ad tech ecosystem consists of multiple point providers, all screaming for marketers' attention. And so in order to really deliver a complete solution, a holistic approach for a marketer, they've been forced to try to understand these different point solutions. So really, it's not until now that companies like Accordant have been able to stitch together and synthesize these point solutions by bringing best-in-class providers together and also providing some proprietary technologies to really find ways to accelerate and scale the opportunities.
One of the big challenges brands have in programmatic is organizing different initiatives and coordinating those for delivery across programmatic. One of the things that we do that it helps our customers navigate this space is helping them organize and understand their data. So data is such a key component of programmatic success. We've built a data management platform in-house that allows us to onboard marketer data. With the data we have on board, we can come up with insights and guidance in terms of how to segment that data and then how to push it back out into media channels to get the maximum return. So that's a key first step for many marketers, and we've got a great system for helping them figure that out. The first thing you have to do is figure out how much effort you want to put into the landscape yourself. So for a marketer, the decision is first and foremost, am I going to do this in-house or am I going to outsource this? And there are multiple approaches, but we tend to find that marketers who want to get involved initially want a partner to help them get started. And whether that's an agency or a DSP or a trading desk, they want some sort of partner to help them get started. In terms of establishing fit, you're choosing a couple things when you're choosing a programmatic partner. One is you're choosing a technology, so you want to be comfortable with the technology platform. The second thing you're choosing is a marketing partner, so you want to know that you have people behind the technology platform who can help you with strategy and advice and guidance, and that they can do that in a way that is open and insightful. So a sign the partner might not be a good fit is if you're not getting clear answers and you're not getting great service back, because those things are important, especially as marketers are starting to get up to speed on the space. They're going to need more guidance than ever.
Marketers come to us faced with the challenge of really how to get started and how to really navigate this really difficult landscape. So, what it comes down to us is really kind of three dimensions. One, we talk to our clients to understand, the degree to which they want to participate. Are they looking for a self-service SaaS-based model? Or are they looking for a partner that they can count on to provide a full-service, expert, insight-driven experience? The second dimension is around insights, and it's a question as to whether or not a marketer is purely focused on performance and they don't care about how the performance was accomplished, or they're looking for more clarity, transparency, and insights so that they can use that information and maybe apply it to other marketing exercises that they're taking. So all in all, we really look for understanding if you're looking for full service, if you're looking for transparency, and if you're looking for customized solutions that provide competitive advantage. That's one direction that we provide solutions for, whereas other providers might do something differently.